And then we have Ashley Madison. That is the website that helps you cheat on your spouse. Yeah, it's been hacked. Millions of people's information may be released. If you're a cheater, you end up in divorce court. You could have a big problem with this, could you not? We have divorce attorney Joe Cordell with us. All right, Joe. This is the mother lode for you guys, isn't it? This is an absolute dream, manna from heaven, information on 37 million potential adulterers and cheaters. You love this stuff, don't you?
Well, good morning, Stuart. Thank you for having me on.
That's a yes, by the way.
You know, I'll tell you that divorce courts have become more salacious places ever since the internet has gained momentum. But you're right, that certainly this information will prove valuable to divorce lawyers because the laws in many states, the maintenance amount is affected by whether or not there was marital misconduct. In addition, property division is affected. So it can have huge financial consequences for the people who are signing up for this.
Joe, this can have huge financial consequences up and down the line. I mean, can you imagine? I mean, the blackmail opportunities. If you've got this information on 37 million people, you can parcel this stuff out and make a fortune out of it. You know, of course you could. And what about the lawsuits against the website? Because they said they would keep everything secure, and they haven't. I mean, this is a money tree.
Well, it is. And, you know, but the consequences for people who sign up, apparently they are under the illusion that if they pay this, many of them paid a $19 charge for a sort of profile delete provision. And it turns out that if it worked at all, apparently it worked only as to the content of the profile. But the basic information, the fact that this individual was online searching for someone, they paid money, and the records of how much money was paid, as well as perhaps some other details, those were likely not deleted. So that is eventually going to end up as fodder for a divorce lawyer on the other side.
Joe, I have to ask you real fast, if this information were available, it's not yet been released by the hackers, but if it was, you'd go straight at it, wouldn't you?
Oh, it would certainly be relevant, yeah. And it comes into play in a lot of ways in divorce court. I mean, the courts are often impatient, and it poisons the well in some respects in the minds of judges regarding marital misconduct and other factors, not to mention that it often is a trail that leads to additional valuable information.
All right, Joe Cordell with a healthy smile on his face this morning. Let's see how this thing works itself out. Joe Cordell, everybody, we appreciate you being with us there, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Stuart.